Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you an app where you can check all your travel requirements. A lot of the time when we're traveling somewhere, we're not sure if we need a visa or not, what kind of visa we need, if we need to fill out some forms before traveling and so on. So here you have the web app where you can check all your travel requirements, Sherpa. Before I go to the video demonstration, in this YouTube channel, I share my travel experiences. I upload landing and takeoff videos from many different airports in the world and some how-to videos to make your life easy. Now let's get to the web app. So I just searched on Google Sherpa Travel. This is what comes up. I go there. So at the moment I'm in Hong Kong. And before coming to Hong Kong, I went to Philippines in Manila. So here you have to select your citizenship. So in my case, it is Norway. And then where are you traveling from? So if I show you first my Manila travel. So I'm flying from Oslo. And then I'm going to Manila. Or let's say I just say Philippines. My connection was in Bangkok. And I had, so if you have more connection, you can add it here. So I had only one connection in Thailand. Here you give your range of travel dates. So let's say if I select from 20 to 25, see requirements. So here you can see the requirements for departure and also for return. So in case of departure, you see, I don't need a visa for this trip. Transit visa is also not required. Philippine visa is not required for maximum 30 days. So I can actually stay in Philippines for 30 days maximum, not more than that. Passport requirements and documents. So I need to have a passport, of course, right? So I need to have a valid passport with 6 months of entry, and then I have to have proof of onward tickets from Philippines, and I have to fill up this form for e-travel. So this is something I didn't know before actually I checked in this website. So this is something, then you can just go here, you fill it up, and then, yeah, that's it. But then from Philippines, I went to Hong Kong. So if I change it now, so I have Norway there, I go to, from Philippines, I go to, then there is no connection. I had a direct flight to Hong Kong. Let's say I just keep the same dates, or I just change some dates. Doesn't matter really in my case. And I hit the button, and then here there is no visa requirement for up to 90 days. So I can actually be in Hong Kong without any visa. Okay. And here, both of the cases, I didn't also have to pay anything at the airport. The immigration line was a bit longer in Manila, but that's okay. That's expected. And then for return, I can check if I need anything. So I don't really need any requirement, any visa or anything for return. But my return is actually going to be to Norway. So I don't really need anything there. So here you can actually check your transit requirements, visa requirements for any places you are traveling to. And I really find this web app useful and very handy. So everything you need in one place. A lot of the time we are Googling for government websites for different embassies and so on. But here you have for all the countries all over the world in one place. So I hope you find it useful. Cheers. Good luck with your travels.